Hello, my dofo, me sama wo akwaba eba fufu TV so, bason for kwami chimesinie. In today's video, no, on popular request, one person will talk like mostly gadgets, maybe our phones, laptops from China, no. It's not all about Alibaba, it's not all about Pindodo, it's not all about what they call it, 1688, Taobao, and the rest. Okay, there are other platforms you'll be able to buy quality products from China na Odiaba Ghana. This app is really good. App where no I know say Gigi any tonaton ewo Ghana. It's people in China no or more use products like person no. So you can find second-hand product there. You can also find brand new products on this app. And so without talking too much, I'll pass on to Bernard. Now, Bernard, I take you guys through this app. I'll be to me use to their top phones, laptop, or any product you want to know from China to Ghana.
All right, nti yɛhwɛ phone no so a app no sɛ ameka no kɔ Play Store no search for Ideal Fish. That's IDLE. Now figure the fish na the answer so. Yeah, nti yɛhwɛ ase ha sei na yɛwɔ Taobao shopping. Nti saa app na den you can want to say no one say why install it. So I've already installed. So I am go back to the app. Yes, so the app for the first time, just like Pindodo and 1688, they always give you this notice for you to accept. In this one, you will click the yellow button to accept. Now for the homepage number. And the same user interface like Pindodo. Yes. And today the first time I will download the app, it will require you to sign in. Yeah, and using Taobao account and I say Alipay account. Yes. So see the options in what top was here and our personal details. So for that one there, the one that is having a human icon and I say human avatar to you can either use maybe your personal info to sign up. That is your contact over here, but we are not using our contact. So let's go back. You go back now for you try to use either Taobao or I say Alipay. Yeah. So if you have Taobao on your phone, I'll be to log in straightforward. But already so that it'll be a chairman or Taobao or Alipay. Already you have Taobao account. So you can use the Alipay account to sign up. First of all, medical accepted terms and conditions. So with the one that you want to use to sign up, you just click on the symbol. Open use your phone now. Just click on the mobile icon. Yeah. So I will click on Alipay. You have to have an active Alipay account. And if you don't know how to create a Alipay account, I have a video about it. So you can just go and watch it and create your and verify your Alipay account and come back later. Continue from here. Yeah. So you have to authorize this account by using your Alipay. So as you can see here, I'll just click on agree. Then it says authorization successful. Yes. So I have account already. So I just logged in and you can see my picture over there and my profile name. Yes. And if I'm to click on it here, so I'm Bernard, I'm a gamer. I just gave you some. You just have to write a short bio about it. Yeah, so this is what I wrote here. So let's go back to the home page. So we will be out using Pindodo own style interface here. If you top search bar now, you could see this scan button over there, and we have this search icon over there, and also this camera icon over there as well. So you can either type in something and as a waiting here using of the camera icon to search something from your phone, just like Pindodo and 1688. So few explanation about this app before say make for so with the process now where they create your account and have a sign verify or account. This platform is like a GG platform in China. Yeah, so Ghana has a GG and Atonaton. or personal product control now for the what on. Yes, and acquire this platform. So that's the ideal fit. Mostly they have a lot of used products. Yes, and I can testify, say 99.999% of the goods on this app are legit. Yeah, they are original products the Chinese people are using, and they are personal products now American or more personal products now made or more turn or yeah, and yes, if you are a supplier and or turn products now. 99% of the goods are used products and they are quality ones. Yeah. So for that one, I can attest to it say quality. Yeah. And if share higher, I've been searching for laptops because that's what I've been buying on this app. And we share app is well, you can see some of the laptops over there and this curved monitors, some gaming chairs over here. Yeah, and our phones. Yeah, and all these products are personal use. They are used products are if you want to buy, I can just go ahead and you kind of say chat the supplier and continue with that. Yeah. So as you can see, there's a car here, but I don't think this is a real car. I think it could be a renting car. Now maybe just rent. And we have this ASOS Rock to over there with the details. Yeah. Yeah. So there are a lot of products that you can go through and search depending on what you want. If you want clothes, if you want guitar, if you want phones, tripods, anything, shoes, everything. Yeah, but at the end of the day, here you will not get in the bulk quantity. Open the air bulk there, just we have to go to the platform now that they will suppliers. Yeah, and see. Even though say we have suppliers, some bulk products over here, but we will have to go open tag any issues there in a bulk where you just have to go to maybe Pinterest and just go. But all original products for personal use, yeah, you can come here and search for the product here. Yeah, so let's go to the message tab. Here is where you chat your suppliers and to social. These are some of the suppliers I'm not much at it, and as you can see, it's always about phones and laptops. Yes, and these products are quality, but one thing is you can see a product and the moment you come back to charter supplier again, it will be sold. So let's click on this one if it is still available. Yeah, so this one is still available. I chatted with a supplier on the 10th March 27th date, the day of 27th. Yeah, so I was chatting with this supplier. I was asking if it is still available. Yeah, so in case you are done with verify, you get the access, the opportunity to charge the supplier. But if you are verify on what on the day, you have to verify first. So how do you verify on Idlefish? Very simple. So you go to the me icon as usual. That's that emoji that's having this mouth, curved mouth over there. Yeah. So right side is the last icon over there. Then at the top right corner, you have to go to settings. So your bot settings are here. So now you can take screenshots to translate what this means, but I already know the process, so I will just go straight. But I will give you the number of the options now where you'll be choosing. So at the top side, count here, the one that is the fourth one, that one is security. Yeah, so we'll click this one. A bit the security page now then. Amount. Okay, it said your back settings now. Details has to now verify passport. But before that, I will say I can talk it up now. The fourth option, will pay binding. And see, person usually pay for a lot of payment. You just have to do that authorization over here. And see, that means you just use your Alipay account to make payments here. So you just click on the fourth option to open the page. And see, here now it just verify and visa. So you just click on that yellow option. that yellow button over there, then it will open Alipay for you to authorize it. Yeah. So Alipay authorization, then you just agree again, then authorization successful. So once that you are done, you just see something like this. Just click and come back. Yes, and say your account so as not free top on the sixth one or one aware then we upload the passport now. So uploading passport, this is how it is. Already can upload the soft copy free phone. So yeah, I have already verified, so I can't do it again. But already can upload the free phone. So and then we upload the keep here. Then the next one also no, which is the seventh one. You have to come that one to and verify your real face. Yes, and to verify your real face, you just maybe open your mouth, yeah, tilt your head a little bit, then after that, I want to verify. Then the last one will be say we'll be taking live passport picture. Yeah, not the one on your phone, but you just have to take the live passport picture. Then you upload and give them some time. So once that all these documents are being reviewed, they will just approve you. Then you can start chatting the suppliers and even you can buy something. Yeah. So that's how it's done. And the last process is for you to kind of say upload or shipping address and update your shipping address. So how do you do that? First of all, you try to save a idea, and if you are find very difficult to translate the page, so to know the exact place that you can so you just try to buy something. So you click operation so at the top right corner no don't say this orange button below one Chinese phone trade and nearby, so you just click on it and down we'll say everyone details now. Yeah, but yeah, add the shipping address. So how can we purchase this? You just click on the red button that does here, orange button that does here. Yeah, so nothing here, that means your only shipping address. You just have to click on the yellow button again, and it has it now where the over update your shipping address now. So if you are trying to update the shipping address, you have to get an agent. Yeah, so you just have to you need an agent. So for instance, we are an agent, so all person will use your shipping address, I can just contact us on 05402668839. Then we'll give you our shipping address. Yes. So first name, no, mostly the shipping agent will give you will let you know how this address is being filled. Yeah, but it's very simple. You will need the postal code of the city that the agent or the warehouse is based in China. So you just type in the postal code, and the full address will be here. Yeah. So once that you paste it, you just come here and select the location. Yeah, you select the location of the supplier, and here too will be the name that you are, maybe the shipping mark that you are trying to use for this shipping address that you are using. So that's how it is. So after that, you just click on the button over there. Yeah, if you want to understand a lot about this app, all you have to do is to take screenshots, go to Google Translate, and try to understand a little bit. So that's it how I wait my then purchase it there. So like I was saying, this app is the best when it comes to gadgets and home use products. Yeah, upper quality laptops, now upper quality phones. I've been buying a lot of phones and laptops from this place. I don't remember last time I top laptop and a phone a free Pindodo. Yeah, this is the platform I've been buying my laptops, and as you can see, this laptop that's displaying, I bought it here. I bought it on what can I say? Ideal Fish. Yeah, there are a lot of. I've purchased like 3 laptops here. My top 3 types of laptops, but currently the one I'm using to right here. Yeah, and over to Ghana, it will be quite expensive, so we don't want to buy it from you. Just do your sourcing over very well. Just do your sourcing over very well, then you proceed. Yeah. Also, so we will be now hopefully that you still can't do anything or purchase it. I'm still available. You can chat me here on my borderline for the ID. Yeah, boy, me, yeah, Tawao. And also to let you know, for fufu imports, we'll be going to China, and we want to announce to our clients over there. So we know that there are a lot of people who wants to purchase in bulk, and due to one or two things, you are afraid because you overturn already Ghana now is not the one that you want. So we'll be going to China probably next year, and if you want us to do the sourcing and everything for you, all you have to do is to contact us. Let us know the product that you want to purchase. So, should in case we get there, we will go to the factory and also work on the products and let you know the exact cost. And probably you will get it at a cheaper cost. Yeah, because one casa or China for now will deliver with everything now. You get everything cheaper, and also you get to see um, the quality of the goods so that you can choose between the one that are good and the one that are not good. Bye.
And there you go. Thank you so much, Bernard, for taking our audience through this app. Into you, Bia, or Pese, or Tonyama free China, Eba Ghana, how bit me fufu import. Major your number in the description section below, and your number to know what's screen so no. Contact of fufu import. A bit more wow, Amawato Nyama from China to Ghana safely. Within the Kwame Chumesi, we have a lot of content coming to you in 2025. See you guys.